Alright guys, if you are watching this video, the Boston website is now live, the newest drop. So here is what we have. We have one new t-shirt. We did come out with 3 different tank top designs. So we have a half wrap design, we have a snow camo design with a blue logo, and then there is also a midnight camo design with the red logo. So these 3 are here. We did come out with some new shorts as well. Adjustable drawstring, these things are actually really nice. They're a little bit on the thicker side, so they're not like an activewear short, they're more of like a casual short. Full restock on all the stickers, red, white, and black. As far as jet tags go, these things are one of my favorites. We have a she-built, we have a cold start for the boys jet tag, and we have a full sned jet tag. All right, last but not least, we have a ton of different masks. So this is the first mask, half wrap, snow camo, black camo. We also have a full black camo one, a full white camo one. These are one size fits most, so these fit Bobby like right out of the package pretty good. For me, all I do is stretch it out a little bit and it stays like that, sick. And
this is an exclusive offer.
This is actually very exclusive. So if you are someone that thinks masks are ridiculous and they're not needed, but you have to go into a store and you gotta wear a mask, this is a mask for you. So this mask is the signature half wrap camo design, and as you can see, we have some very fine choice of words on here. This mask is useless. There's also a few other things on the site, so first link down in the description box below, www.boston.com. As always, appreciate all you guys' support. And let's start at the best part, guys. Every order that is placed today, so on August 23rd, up until midnight Pacific Standard Time, we are throwing in a very exclusive sticker. Check this guy out. Just had this thing whipped up, she built with the Boston logo up on the finger. Every order from now till midnight gets one of those stickers. So I know last launch with all of the sweaters and whatnot, there was no cheap shipping option, and that is because USPS first class international packages have been getting lost nonstop. We did add the option in this time around, so instead of the cheapest international option being $45, we have a $25 option as well. The problem with first class international, some of the packages are getting lost, so there is no guarantee, and all this will be listed on the site as you're checking out. There's no guarantee getting your package, so if you want guaranteed delivery, which I know it sounds crazy, but it's the only way to have a cheaper shipping option right now, you must select either priority or express for international shipping. This only applies for out of United States and Canada. For the US and Canada, we have completely figured out as far as cheap shipping options go. But if you are overseas, due to all this COVID craziness going on, cheap shipping options are just not reliable. You drive.
Okay.
You can never say no to driving the M, huh?
Definitely good.
You don't like it?
It's okay.
Bobby Lorraine.
I just want to enjoy the passenger.
So you do like it or you don't?
Love.
Knew it. I just knew it. I bet you wish you had a V8. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be nothing crazy, nothing working in the shop, but it's going to be an interesting one. I've had this car for about a week now. Been loving it so far. What I want to do today is go over everything that Bobby and I both love and don't love or dislike about the new E92 M3. So, as you guys know, if you've been a follower of the channel or a viewer of the channel for a while, I am a huge JDM boy. Always have been. I've had like 20 cars, which are, every single one of them has been Japanese. This is the very first Euro car. So keep in mind as you're watching this video, this is coming from a perspective of a JDM fanboy. Okay?
Okay. Enthusiast.
A JDM enthusiast, not a Euro enthusiast. I'm kind of becoming a Euro enthusiast after owning this car though.
Yeah.
I think a good opportunity is to start this out with getting Bobby's input on this car, because you're gonna have a very unbiased opinion, I feel. So what do you think? We've had it for about a week, yeah?
Yeah.
And initial thoughts?
I absolutely love it.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, I love it.
What do you love about it though? You've owned an Evo, you own an STI, you've owned a Genesis, you've owned a Civic, you've owned an Accord.
Honestly, when the first time I drove in this car, I was expecting it to be like pretty slow, just because I know nothing about V8s and I'm used to turbos. So right when I hopped in it and like gave it a little gas, it was really fast and it drives good. So that's like the main thing.
I can respect your review. I appreciate your review. We could just end the video right there.
Okay.
this was supposed to be like things I don't like about the M3 and things I like about it, but to be completely honest, there's very few things I don't like about it.
My nisk.
Huh?
My nisk.
There's only like 2 things I don't like. First thing is, I don't think the audio system is all that good.
Sucks.
Not that big of a deal. There's like no bass. That's Bobby pointed that out to me. Don't really care. Second thing is those stupid seatbelt things that always pop out.
But I like them.
Bobby likes them. I can't stand them. I don't know why. I would rather just reach back, grab the damn seatbelt, put it on. Things I really, really love about the car. I think it handles amazing. It is lowered on some KW coils. I feel like I handle so much better than, I think the other car that I have that handles really good is my Evo 8. This car definitely handles better than my Evo 8. Looks wise on the car, I think it looks dope. Like I said, it is lowered a little bit. Carbon roof, sick. These competition wheels, one of the most beautiful wheels I feel, like the factory OEM wheel. Never been a huge coupe guy. I like 4-door sedans. I don't know why, kind of weird, but I really like how this car looks. That is initially what drew me to an E92 M3 specifically. It's how they look, and then as soon as I bought one, I'm like, okay, this is actually really fun to drive. Power wise, it's not the fastest thing in the world. It makes 414 horsepower with the crank, which isn't a lot. It's a good amount. It's enough to have fun with, but as you guys know, the Evos make quite a bit more power than that, so it's kind of what I'm used to. It ain't gonna stay at 414 for long, I'll tell you that right now. Bobby?
Yes.
Let's build it.
Okay.
Should we hop on inside? Interior is about as basic as it can come. Oh yeah, I don't really like those. Those are kind of weird. Other than that though, the interior is super basic, super simple.
Can I tell you one thing I don't like about the interior?
What's up?
In cars, like at nighttime, I like the pretty colors on the dash, and this one has like orange, like very dull color, like around the numbering and stuff. It's just not that pretty.
That's about it for the inside. I don't like leather. I wanted black interior, but I might change these seats out. Black leather in the rear's fine. Front, I might throw some like nice bucket seats in here. All right, let's do a quick walk around. She's all stock, body wise, exterior wise. I want to do a nice carbon GT4 lip, some nice skirts, maybe a duckbill trunk, headlights, taillights, the goods. It's gonna look really good. I'm super excited to make this thing look sick. Whenever you're driving it and I'm like in your STI, because it keeps stealing my damn M3.
Yeah.
It looks good. I've always loved E92s.
I hope my sandwich is cooking.
And like I said, guys, I've never considered myself like a Euro enthusiast, but I feel like I'm slowly becoming one within the last week. I keep talking about my M3 and how much I like it to Bobby. I'm still obviously a JDM boy, but you can have both, right?
Well, the only thing that I wanted to say is I really, like, this is how much I like this car, is when I'm done with Gary, aka my STI, you know, I would highly consider getting a M2. Like, and I've only been driving this thing for like a week, okay?
Do you realize that M2 is like at least twice the price of your STI? You gotta get to work if you're gonna get one of those, son.
Damn it, the sun didn't cook it very good.
I know these things have a few minor issues. I know rod bearings is a very common failure point. This car is a little bit higher on the mileage, so we're gonna do rod bearings on this car. Don't think they've ever been done. And what is it, throttle plate actuators? I'm not gonna do that until they actually like go out and the car goes in limp mode. Other than that, I think these are pretty reliable. My opinion may change after I drive this car more and more and more. Maybe I'm just like in that, what would you call it, like honeymoon stage with my new car. Kind of like,
Wide body.
Bobby wants me to wide body it. I don't think I'm gonna wide body it.
Please?
Because I know I felt exactly like this with my Evo 10 when I originally got my first Evo 10 with STIs. I've always had this like honeymoon feeling, like, damn, this is the best car in the world. I actually have one thing to add, and Bobby, I'm sure you can agree with this. I think my favorite thing aesthetically wise of the M3 is the mirrors.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the most beautiful part.
There's one more thing I really, really like. Let me show you guys. This car has a ton of trunk space, and it's really nice. But that is our 1 week review on our E92 M3. All right, boys, I apologize for the wind noise, but we just made it out to Coeur d'Alene, beautiful state of Idaho. Bobby and I are always out here, but Bobby has a photo shoot now, so we're gonna bang this out real quick. We're with one of her photographers, which is David, and yeah, Bobby's gonna get naked or whatever she does, and take some photos.
Since when have I gotten naked? Really?
All right, you don't want everything shiny?
Just everything except for my hair.
That's an odd choice. You have a good shoot?
Yes.
Good.
Did you enjoy yourself or did you funk out?
I'm really freaking tired. I got no sleep last night. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. That is gonna be it. I'll see you guys tomorrow.